boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from Ronson featuring Lucky Daye. This one is called Too Much. So it has a funky style over it, and pretty much only two chord progressions that goes through this song here, and one of them is the main one, 90% perhaps of the song. So that's great. So we need to set our capo here on the first fret to have the right sound and best chords possible. So with the capo on first, we have 5 different chords. So let's go over the chords, and we'll start with the E minor. So that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right. And the next following 4 chords will be bar chords. I choose to play them bar because we need to switch pretty fast. So it's the best scenario here to just move around your hand like this. All right. So the first of the bar chords here will be the F sharp. Okay. So you can put a bar here on the 2nd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. When we're playing these bar chords, we will not use all strings and go down like this. So keep that in mind. We'll pretty much work with the bass and middle strings up here. Okay, so that means you don't really need to care that much for the bar all the way down here with the finger. It's pretty much enough if you just hit the note here on the 2nd fret E string. All right. So yeah, I just want to give you the chord as it is anyway. So that was the F sharp chord. Then we have the G. You just move the grip like it is, 1 fret towards you. Okay, so you put the bar on the 3rd fret now, all strings, and the rest will be 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. So that is the G chord, right? Then we have A, and you keep that grip and move it towards you 2 frets more. So you will land here with the bar on the 5th fret now. Everything else is the same when it comes to the grip. So bar on 5th, and the rest will be 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6th on G. This is the A, and we will keep this going. We'll play the B as the final chord, and we go further 2 frets towards you. So we will land here with the bar on the 7th fret now. All strings still, everything is the same when it comes to the grip. And the rest will be 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G. So there we have all the chords. So E minor like this, and then you will just work with bar chords. F sharp on the 2nd fret, G on the 3rd fret, A on the 5th fret, and B on the 7th fret from the bar counted there. All right, so there we have the chords, and we will start to look at this main kind of chord progression here. It will be E minor, F sharp, G, then E minor, F sharp, G, and A. All right, so that is how it goes. So we'll play the E minor, just 1 down. Then you quickly change to F sharp and play up clap. Okay. And then you shift to G and play down clap. We can stop there. So slowly, E minor, F sharp, and G goes like this. That is the rhythm. So So you have a short pause there on the G when you hit the down, and then comes the clap a bit after there. So E, F, G, E, F, G. Okay, like that. That is the first part. The second part will be pretty much in the same way, just a different ending. So it will be E down, and then you play the F sharp, up, clap, and then you play the G, but without the clap, you go immediately to A and play 2 downs. Okay, so that is the second part, and that will finish this main chord progression here. So the second part was E minor, then F sharp, up, down, clap, then G, and immediately to A, 2 downs on that one. So slowly the second part will be like this. So if we connect these two parts, the E minor, F, G, E minor, F, G, A, it will be like this, slow. That is 1 round. And in some standard tempo, couple of rounds, it will be like this. And so on. Now the last couple of rounds I incorporated even the top strings there, and it's cool if you can do that. It's not that dark, and so this is kind of a bass in the background going on, so that is what we're gonna replicate. But yeah, it brings some cool sound to it if you bring in this top strings down there as well. So yeah, that is the main melody. You will play that one for 8 rounds to start with here. That is the first verse. And then comes the pre-chorus. In the lyrics, I can be your antidote. Okay, so this is where the second kind of chord progression comes in. And when you can this, you can play the whole entire song. So we'll look at that part now. It's pretty easy. It's G and A. You will alternate these two chords for 3 rounds. And then you will end with G, A, and B. All right, and we'll just work with easy downs and ups and claps. So we'll start with the 3 rounds of G and A, and you will play the G in the same way as you play the A. So G is the first chord. We'll start with that one. So you will play like this, and that's it. So it will be down, clap, down, up, clap. Then you shift to A, down, clap, down, up, clap, and back. That is 1 round. G and A is 1 round. You play that for 3 rounds. So I'm gonna take you through that now. So down, clap, down, up, clap, down, clap, down, up, clap. 1 round. Second round. A, down, up. Okay, so there you have 3 rounds of down, clap, down, up, clap for each chord, G and A. And then on the 4th round, you will play G, down, clap. Then you shift to A and play down, clap. And then you go up to the B chord here on the 7th fret with the bar and play down, clap, down, clap. So 2 times. So, and that will finish this pre-chorus. So I'm gonna take you through one round of this, and yeah, let's go. Yeah, that is the second and final chord progression, you can say, and that you will play for the pre-choruses. So nothing new after this. Comes second chorus. No, actually it's the first chorus, and you're gonna play the chorus in exact same way as you play the verse. Okay, so it's that part. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, and then comes post-chorus part. Hands on my arms. It's all I want. So you're gonna continue with that verse or chorus play. It's the same for another 2 rounds. Then comes the second verse, played in the same way as the first one, 4 rounds. So you will really work with that E minor, F sharp, G chord progression there. And then comes the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as we just learned the first pre-chorus with the G, A, and you alternate that for 3 rounds and so on. So we know that by now. And after that comes the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the post-chorus, played in the same way as the first one, but you will play it for 4 rounds now instead of 2. After that comes the third pre-chorus. This one you will play the same chords, but you will just do 1 down per chord, all right? So you will use the same chords like, but you will just do the downs. Alternate that, G and A for 3 rounds. So 3rd round now, A, and then comes the G, A, and B. So that is the pre-chorus number 3. Same chords, just skip all the ups and claps, just do the downs for each chord. Then it ends with a third chorus, playing the same way as the previous choruses, and a final post-chorus for 4 rounds. And that is how Mark Ronson's featuring Lucky Daye's Too Much ends. So I hope it wasn't too much, this only 2 chord progressions to learn, and that will work for you for this song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please thumb up. I do my best here to teach you cool songs. And yeah, I just want to remember you to wish here on Gordon Guitar. We will try to bring up as many wishes on this channel and opportunity for you to get your song here. So yeah, keep interacting with me. Subscribe if you haven't yet, thumb up, and play tuned.